Sports University will be made functional soon, says Kiran Rijiju. "48-hour Manipur Ban over baby Sana's death continues to cripple life." And baby Sana's family members return home after allegedly taking refuge for days. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Khongban giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Union Minister of State Youth Affairs and Sports Kiran Rijiju on Tuesday said the much-awaited National Sports University NSU will be made functional soon from Imphal after appointment of Vice-Chancellor and Dean of the Varsity. Rijiju arrived in Imphal on Monday in a two-visit to the state. He, along with Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren, yesterday visited Chandal district headquarters and reviewed the aspirational district program taken up in the district. The two leaders also reviewed the overall progress related to construction of NSU at its campus site located in Koktruk of Imphal West. The foundation stone for the construction of the university was laid by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on March 16, 2018. Prior to Koktruk visit, the Union Minister inaugurated a synthetic football turf at the complex of Sai Northeast Regional Centre, Imphal Tagilpat. The football turf has been developed at the cost of Rs 10.43 crore funded by Sports Authority of India (SAI) since 2017 with Manitco as the implementing agency. Manitco Chairman Dr. Y. Radhesyam, MD Ibotombi Sharma, YAS Commissioner Bobby Wycombe, Director Armstrong Panmay, SAI NERC Imphal Director Francis Marvin, SAI New Delhi Executive Director of Finance Anjan Kumar Mishra and other officials were also present at the event. Later, Rijiju also inspected the condition of sports infrastructure at Khuman Lampak Sports Complex.
I will not accept further delay in National Sports University progress. It must begin as soon as possible. The present temporary manner in which National Sports University is being run is not being properly run because of not proper support getting from all corners. So I will honestly admit today, when I am coming here to meet you all, that there has been delay on the part of the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, which I will rectify immediately. For appointment of the regular Vice Chancellor of the National Sports University to be stationed in Imphal. We cannot have the Vice Chancellor in Delhi to look after the university here. Within short time, we will adopt all official procedure to have full-time Vice Chancellor and the deans, all the important deans of the student welfare, deans of the School of Sports Science, Sports Medicine, Sports Technology, Sports Management, all important deans will be appointed very soon so that we can start all the faculty functioning.
Kiran Rijiju further assured that efforts will be made to upgrade the present condition of three Thangta academies open under Thangta Federation of India in Assam, Manipur and Tripura. Meanwhile, the Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur DESAM has submitted a memorandum to Union Minister of State for Youth Affairs and Sports Independent Charge Kiran Rijiju with regard to issues related to National Sports University. The memorandum read that the university, even after 2 years and 8 months of its existence, does not have any regular manpower and infrastructure requirements, including a regular campus despite commencement of regular course since December 17, 2017. Despite running 4 important courses, namely BSc in Sports Coaching, Bachelor of Physical Education and Sports Sciences, Master in Sports Coaching and Sports Psychology, there are no regular faculties for the varsity. The memorandum further urges for filling up the post of Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Controller of Examination and all other administrative and faculty on regular basis. Ban supporters in Thangmeban Sinamlekai of Imphal West on Tuesday burned effigies of Chief Minister N. Biren and Landhoni, one of the suspects in Babysana's case. A large number of cops were deployed in Thangmeban area, the epicenter of this sustained agitation, spearheaded by the Joint Action Committee against the murder of Babysana. The 48-hour statewide shutdown called by Babysana JAC from Monday morning continued to cripple normal life in the state on day 2 amid tight security. As per a report, the ban was near total at Thangmeban Khwairamban Market, Khurai Lamlong, Khuyathong, Hata Minithong, Palace Compound, Kaisampat, Singzamei, Uripok and other places of capital Imphal. Though a few shops were seen open in some places, educational institutions and major commercial establishments remained shut in the heart of Imphal city. Roads were deserted looking during the ongoing ban, except few auto rickshaws and two-wheelers plying on the road. No untoward incidents were reported. Daily wage earners are taking the brunt of the ban. Some expressed their viewpoints to TOMTV.
Ado ban tawrisi akhoi yaning de bo khoi nong thu thora chaja bani na ko sidi yam noi te nong tang taw de pai ni chi khile lo lai ba khoi di thaba uju sura chaja bi khoi di ya dab ne khoi ma pan thola uji thori thau bu ji kai gi noi ba da yum di chai su lai bani na nong sura chaja bani na adu da khoi di thol taw ya dan mi thoe
nong mai sura chai be khoi di yang ma jar sa ni nong man ban ne ga ne yum da lai ba ma tam su lai ni de nong mai gi yang khai cha mam lem ba do adagi ballo ra sum khong ra sum lai mi
ada kai haidoi no khang de hoi taw budi summe sumba budi ko ballo ri ja ada tawri ji budi sumba doi ta ju lai ra ba mayam de ko phajana ware khoi ju ngarang bodi tholak te lak te ado ngasi di upai lai tram mi na eh ma si di na adamai taw ra khoi tholai sin stay.
Family members of N. Babysana have returned home after days of taking refuge elsewhere following a reported chase by cops. However, Imphal West Superintendent of Police has denied chasing them. Babysana's father Tomcho reiterated that he wants to give his statement to the police in the presence of media and representatives of civil society organizations. He claimed that his statement has already been recorded by police twice. Tomcho also demanded that all JAC members now in jail should be released immediately. He reiterated the demand for handing over of the Babysana case to Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI).
Hojik leriba wana igi mukta khangbiriba mayamgi zamto kanto biriba mo silaga sangbiriba jende leibiri bisingje thadok piro mosi thadok paga aingongi statement apam tondogi biani togmusung mamangda inani statement anirak pikibadu CBI je sinraga CBI ne paire hai bu numito aduno ngamade isagi surat mathomangam pangthok chanaba togmu sem samak tai nurun khumjari ai isagi masak khangmngamdre semna tangai phadana isamangni khallaga yaraga di agi isagi lalalangi se puthokpada bateng pangbi boina CBI de sinaba sem asima tangdi thawai haksang yauna tobiu aduna matungda di ima ibien sing mera paibi khara phamba khotpa kai tobada thugai bo khugai bi tobiginu masung ai busu miro ta han biginu kuchen chel han biginu miro tona kuchen chembai pamjate isa sidabagi adukki matik wana khangjeribani.
The 48-hour statewide general strike called by Babysana Joint Action Committee affected normal life in Kaching district. Major markets in the district were closed. Vehicles were off the road. Both government and private schools remain closed. Women folk of Kaching Kaithel Apunba Imalup and AMSU organized a sit-in at Kaching Market Set in support of the general strike, which ends 6 a.m. tomorrow. Women folk of Khumbong and Khaidem of Imphal West staged sit-in against the mysterious death of Babysana at Khumbong Bazaar today. The protesters held placards that read, "No justice, no rest, bring out the killer." Later, Patsoi police came and dispersed the protesters. Women folk and children of Mana Ingkhol of Mayang Langzing Lamsang constituency staged a sit-in protest at the Mana Ingkhol Community Hall today, demanding prompt justice for Babysana. They held several placards and chanted slogans demanding that the Baby Sana case should be handed over to CBI. The JAC members should be released without any condition. Women folk and the members of Mana Inkol Youth Development Association also pledged to continue protests until justice is delivered to Baby Sana. The 48-hour statewide ban called by the JAC formed in connection with the death of Ningthausam Baby Sana also paralyzed life in Jiribam district. 13-year-old and Baby Sana was mysteriously found hanging inside the hostel room of Standard Robert High Secondary School, Kanchipur on July 18 last. All educational institutes and shops were closed in the district. There are no reports of unwanted incidents so far. Jiribam District Police have beefed up security measures to avoid any untoward incidents. The statewide general strike, which began at 6 a.m. of September 2nd, ends at 6 a.m. tomorrow. Well, it's time now for a short break, but coming up, Joint Students Coordination Committee urges all educational institutes in Manipur to boycott the upcoming Teachers' Day celebration. More after the break.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng ma mahong yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana kangla gi ano food item singi maho kangla bada ngauroi do kana bu leibu
Kangla
Manipur ki ahanba 24/7 cab service oiriba lamjingba cab na ahanba oina miyam gi damakta monsoon offer ama pijari bo offer adudi 5% discount on any trip or any package. Akupamorol Gidamak contact Tobiu Lamjingba Cab, Nagamapal Rims Road, Lamjingba Group Building, opposite to Lamjingba Nidhi Limited Imphal. Aikogi phone number 1800-1027-959 Natraga 8794613154.
Welcome back after the break. The Joint Students Coordination Committee JSCC has urged all educational institutes in Manipur to boycott the upcoming Teachers' Day celebration, which falls on September 5th. JSCC convener Peter Lystrom made the appeal during a press meet at AMSU headquarters in Imphal today. Lystrom observed that exchanging gifts between students and teachers on this occasion has become an ugly race which is very confusing and attracting condemnation. On the other hand, condemning the incident wherein two students were brutally assaulted allegedly by the Secretary of Smart Universal Academy on August 29 last, he announced that the JSCC will launch an investigation into the matter. JSSC is an apex body of major students' bodies, AMSU, MSF, KSA, SUK and JSUM.
September 5 the institution sing the Teachers Day tawbagi adi tawgadaba leramaga su adu tawbidanaba media thong da hajari haibadi September 5 ta institution kudimakta Teachers Day tawbada athingba thamle na JC site gi hajari issue thokiba khoi Smart Universal Academy da mahero anibu aduki matik tamthina phuba hadi yengnabada phuba dona adumaina phugi bagi thong adu akanba miyeng sangani na Joint Student Coordination Committee site gi media thong da thamjare.
Angry students of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Imphal today protested against what they said unhygienic food served in the gents hostel. The protest erupted when students found maggots in the hostel mess during the lunch. Kha Manipur Students Union Manipur College, Kakching has condemned cutting down of 2 eucalyptus trees inside the college campus. In a release, General Secretary of the Union, KSH Chinglemba Singh, warned of stern action against all involved in the incident. Increasing narcotics seizures in Manipur, which borders Myanmar, has prompted concerns, with the state recently registering the largest drug seizure in the entire Northeast. Police arrested a drug peddler along with 836 pieces of spasmoproxybone capsules, 182 pieces of WY tablets and 2 bottles of prohibited cough syrup in the wee hours today. The arrested has been identified as Muhammad B.M. Anwar Khan, son of late Muhammad Samsuruddin of Lilong Chingkamakha. The operation was conducted at the drug peddler's residence around 1 a.m. by a team of Lilong Police Station led by Officer-in-Charge Inspector O. Ajit Singh, assisted by Sub-Inspector Muhammad Isha Khan, along with volunteers of Anti-Social Element Prevention Youth Committee, Lilong Chingkamakha. Official sources said over the incident, a regular case has been registered at Lilong Police Station for further investigation. A month-long campaign on solid waste management, single plastic-free village was launched on Tuesday at Hainobok, Namoikhul. The campaign is jointly organized by Irengbam Gram Panchayat, District Swachh Bharat Mission, Bisnupur, Hainobok Young Star Club, Hainobok Maira Paibi and Children Club, Hainobok, with a mission to make a green and healthy environment by avoiding plastic use. As a part of the program, the participants cleaned the locality and a rally was also held to spread awareness.
Tamakanda Quigi, Rosalakanda Lunan Bakungama, when with the Matangasi, September Gitang, Homestay Horakanda, quite Tamasuna, Sata Zagadabadu was Solis Waste Management Program by Casabani. My Tadopasi, the Tolaba, my Kusi, the Equigi, Cancer Ton Bayaba, Aduga Alaman Anganga, Asmagi, problem labor missing the Atoba, Saking, Mapiba, Makan. Koina khangbangam drabai amna sathi ba laina kaya tho leba aduga na singasu isai sagi daida isai sagi duty khanga ko pollution oil laitaba free plastic society ma semada mateng pangminrasi haiba kholawasi ko ISTV amadi TOMTV gi mateng lausaraga miyamda.
Residents of around 25 villages in interior Samulamlan block under Saikot constituency of Churachandpur district are facing a lot of inconveniences due to the bad condition of the 25-kilometer long Kaprang Chezang road stretch, which is an inter-village road. However, road restoration work is currently underway under the combined initiative of Tuikon Youth Union and Tuikol Development Committee. Talking to TOMTV, Elvis Ginminland, an active member of Tuikon Youth Union, said that the road improvement work was started by the residents with their own cash in view of the awkward situation. He also demanded that the Manipur government take steps for blacktopping of the road without delay.
Rainy season da angang skun kaba natraga satra mayam se gari na su tungba yade ado gari chatlaga su in laga auto sing se adumaina skun chatlabani angang nupi angang sing na pregnancy delivery matam da su yamna wai lambi marak tisida lambi nungai man debagi gari mathak ta su angang pokpa mi yawi adu MLA MP minister MDC even CM fauna khara action loduna si lambi se panangai simbio haina hanna appeal tawjari.
The United People's Front Manipur and Kasom Village Authority have jointly organized a one-day free health camp under the aegis of Directorate of Ayush at Kamjong today. A medical team from Directorate of Ayush attended the camp where people of all ages were given medical treatment. The team also gave awareness on various diseases and how to prevent them. Around 200 residents attended the camp and medicines were also distributed to them. Let's take another short break. Do stay tuned.
Salai Holdings Private Limited की Smart Universal Academy बो अगस्त की तांग तरा निपाल दा होटल ताज वेस्ट एंड बेंगलुरु दा ब्लाइंड विंग इंडिया न सिनबा इंडिया एजुकेशन अवार्ड 2019 ये तोपगी थोरम दा बेस्ट डिजिटल स्कूल विथ CSR इनिशिएटिव इन मणिपुर 2019 हाइब अवार्ड अमदी तांग कुंगनी थोय दा दिल्ली की ताजमहल होटल दा इंटीग्रेटेड इचिवर्स न सिंदुना पांगतोखिबा 10th नेशनल एजुकेशन एंड बिजनेस समिट 2019 दा स्कूल असि की प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर नारिंगम समरजित सिंह दा नेशनल एजुकेशन एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड 2019 पिरकदा ngakoi leitna nungai ba phongdokchari.
Sheer dreams in her eyes. Dreams to fly. Dream to bring a smile. Thanks AHM for making our dreams come true. AHM, a complete air hostess training institute.
Half marathon run. Ichanupi gidama. Haksang Phaba Kunai Amagidamag,
half marathon run Nasibu Yaudi.
Lamthaga from Sendra Sikhundagi, New Mini Secretariat, DC Office Complex. Organized by District Administration, Bishnupur.
Powered by District Police Business.
Open category for all ages, men and women.
Form submission to bagi aroiba date na September 10, 2019.
Kawiragano September 15, 2019.
For details, please contact 9378 121 752.
Welcome back. The 5th International Thang Ta Championship 2019 held at Cheongju, South Korea as a part of World Martial Arts Masterships Festival 2019 concluded today. The championship was participated by 8 countries including India. India took the overall team champion title by clinching 16 medals, 13 gold medals and 3 silvers. The team received 74 points in the championship. Philippines and Uzbekistan emerged as the team runner and second team runner respectively. Winner of the best player title, Fengri Rose Iskira expressed her happiness to become the best player of the championship. Fengri Rose added that she would like to continue Thang Ta. Jodarigas from Philippines, who won the silver medal, said that Thang Ta represents the rich culture of India, adding that the art must be promoted at the international level. Uzbekistan won the second best team title. Uzbekistan team coach Bakadir Nazarov expressed his desire to work for promoting Thang Ta in his country.
It's a pleasure for me to play Thang Ta. It's my first time, and I'm so overwhelmed to my award. I didn't expect anything. I just want to experience, and then yeah, I'm so thankful.
I think Thang Ta should be promoted in the Philippines. I really don't think that it should be limited to just India. We may not be as ambitious to go globally, but maybe we can start with the Asian region since India is already in Asia. Maybe expand to East Asia, Northern Asia, Southeast Asia. Because I think Thang Ta is super culturally heavy, and I think it would work well with a lot of the different martial arts.
As part of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme, the Bishnupur District Administration and District Superintendent of Police will jointly organize a half marathon run on September 15. The marathon will be started from the foothills of Sendra and culminate at the office complex of Deputy Commissioner Bishnupur. DC Nita Arambam has urged each and everyone to come out and take part in the program in honor of the girl child.
Praja mayamda aina appeal tawjari form ji free of cost, it's available. Akoina asina phangkadawa mafamna SDO office akoigi SDO Nambol, SDO Bishnupur, SDO Moirang amadi police station khudimakta sigi form ji free oina phangani. Form pishan bagi last date na 10th of September ni alna free da phangbigani, free da dum hujiki mafam singdu da dum pishan biu koi half marathon run sida yawbiu saruk yawbiu mai pahan biu ichanupi gi damak akoi mayam puna hona minarasi.
Education Minister and President of Manipur Olympic Association T.H. Radheshyam has kicked off the 38 Inter-District and 64 State Open Badminton Championship 2019 today at DM College Indoor Stadium, Imphal. In all, 102 players of 4 teams from the 4 valley districts of Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal and Bishnupur are taking part in the championship organized by Manipur Badminton Association. 3 personnel of CISF Central Industrial Security Force Fire and Safety Wing and the Residential Plant Supervisor of the Oil and Natural Gas Corporation ONGC were killed in a fire that broke out at the oil and gas processing plant in Uran, Navi Mumbai early today. CISF Constables Mahesh KR and Sindhu Raj were injured. The deceased have been identified as Residential Plant Supervisor C.N. Rao 50, Captain E. Nayaka 48, S.P. Kushwaha 36 and M.K. Paswan 33 of the CISF. The 3 CISF personnel were the first responders to the fire call and in an explosion. They were severely injured. The ONGC's fire services and crisis management team were praised in action to contain the fire. The huge fire was doused within 2 hours. The cause and impact are ascertained. According to sources, residents from the neighborhood of the ONGC plant were shifted to a school till noon as the smell of chemical caused discomfort to them. In a big steps towards modernizing the Indian Air Force fleet, US-made Apache AH-64EI helicopters were inducted into the Indian Air Force at the Pathankot Air Base today. According to sources, the first Apache squadron will have 8 helicopters that have already been supplied by Boeing. Boeing is likely to deliver all the 22 helicopters by 2020. 4 of these helicopters are to be stationed at the Pathankot Air Force Station, which is just a few miles from the border with Pakistan and a prime air base. Let's now have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Biren Rijiju review development work under ADP in Chandel. Day 1 of 48 hours Manipur Band total. Rhino horn on way to Moray seized at Mao Gate. The People's Chronicle. Slack bridge job derails Jiri Imphal rail project. Most MLAs in Delhi prepare to meet central leaders. Jedaro condemns August 31st raid in Churachandpur town. Baby Sana's father negates Imphal West SP's claim. Customers not happy with Manipur heli service. Imphal Free Press. Union Minister Kiran Rijiju reviews development works at Chandel district. National Sports University to be at a par with international standards. Police trying to level Baby Sana's father as accused. Take steps to prevent entry of migrants who flunked NRC in Assam, says CPI to government. First day of 48 hours general strike cripples Imphal city. The Morning Bell. Strike cripples normal life. No untoward incidents reported. Government has failed the JAC. Public and Baby Sana case, says CPI. Kiran Rijiju reviews development of Chandel district. To visit National Sports University today. Assam Rifle recovers contraband drugs worth rupees 12.34 crore. Minister Bishwajit lays foundation for bridge over Iril River.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. National Sports University will be made functional soon, says Kiran Rijiju. The 48-hour Manipur Band over Baby Sana's death continues to cripple life. And Baby Sana's family members return home after allegedly taking refuge for days. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.